A few things láti sọ. I am used to the palace, and I not just that of Ife, but I have been to some palaces also. The fact is this: our traditionalists and our not need the seat of Obashi. It's not a Christianity affair or Islamic affair. It's purely traditional. Cherry P2, when you get to some level, to Losa and palaces, me, and you see where Buffett did the last one lórí seat to jókòó. There are some things that I don't have the right to say, maybe on radio, but èmi mọ̀ pé these people you call lovers, they are installed by tradition. Ifá ló yan ọba o. It's not this type of money meaning Obaship tussle tó ń ṣe ń sìn. Obas are nominated or appointed by traditional religion. Ifá ló yan ọba o. And then you see, when you get to a place like Ile-Ife, and you see that almost every day, only one form of
festival.
Festival. What are those festivals for? They are not Christian festivals.
No.
They are not Islamic festivals. They are festivals meant to deify some paganic institutions. I call them paganic institutions because anything that is not Christianity or Islamic, we regard them as paganic.
Àwọn olóyìnbó ní ká máa pè wọ́n ní pagan.
Òyìnbó ló ní ká máa pè wọ́n pagan.
Nítorí pagan òyìnbó.
So we see that Oba's stool, tradition ló ní. And you will see that even káwọn òyìnbó tó dé, nothing ṣe nǹkan wọn. So, but when Christianity came, especially Christianity that has gone so firebrand, you will see that even those who believed in Ifá, Ògún, Ọ̀ṣun, Ọbàtálá, and Kankan, they have crossed to Christianity. So if you are a Christian to the core, and they pick you, you go watch your bye, you have a right to reject it. Nítorí pé nǹkan tó máa bá ń bẹ̀ kò bá Christianity lọ o, and mo sure pé kò bá Islamic religion kò bá lọ. So but if you have accepted to be an Oba, everything tó wà attached to that traditional seat, you must obey them. O lè sọ pé you are a pastor, you are an imam, nǹkan kan wá ní kó wá jẹ ọba níbi kan wá lọ síbẹ̀ ọlọ́jọba because of the Obaship is
yóò ti enjoy gbogbo tó rọ̀ mọ́ wá wá di pé wàjà tán ẹ wà nírọ̀.
wà á ti kọ́lẹ̀ pé o fẹ́ kàn sí ẹni that traditional way o kankan, you are only deceiving yourself because there could be consequences. Àwọn tó ń sin demons nkankan, these are all these things we are calling, they are demonic setups. So àwọn tó ń sin wọn, they also have their power. So tí tó bá tàpá sí òfin yẹn, there will be àwọn náà máa react. And so it is better if you know you are a Christian or you are a true Muslim, anything that has to do with traditional religion, you better steer clear. Otherwise, tó bá gbádùn gbogbo everything tó wà tied to that seat of Ọba, tó ti gbádùn gbogbo ẹ̀, those days wọ́n máa sọ pé ọba gbẹ́sẹ̀ lé obìnrin. So they acquire wives, nobody can query them, they can even take your house and so on. So I see Obaship's tool, if it is truly operative, it's very oppressive. Irú èmi ń sìn as a prince of Ife, and I'm a prophet of God. O lè ní kí n wá jọba kí n gbà, mi ò ní ṣe. You get what I'm saying? It is not because I don't love my town or whatever, but the things that are attached to it, èmi ò lè ṣe but there are those who love it wọ́n bọ òrìṣà wọ́n ṣe you know some of them even call themselves igbákejì òrìṣà.
and they enjoy
aláṣẹ ìkejì òrìṣà.
alákejì.
àwọn Yorùbá fúnra wọn ló pè wọ́n bẹ́ẹ̀.
And they don't denounce it, they enjoy it. Èmi sì as a person mi ò lè pe anybody ní his excellency because that is the title of God Almighty.
bẹ́ẹ̀ tó bá ti da aláṣẹ kejì òrìṣà yìí bó bá ti dépò wàjà
tó bá wàjà
tẹ̀lé ìlànà wọn.
ìlànà wọn because ó mọ̀ kì í ṣe bèbí ló ń jọba náà kì í ṣe pé àṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ bí kò tí ìgbọ́n ni ó kòkò mọ̀ tó lọ fi gbà á dé yẹn wọ́n mọ̀ they know the things that are attached to the seat of an ọba ó dẹ̀ gbà. So whatever the tradition says about the consequences that will happen, but èmi believe pé kì í ṣe pé wọ́n gbé orí ọba kankan, wọ́n dáná sun ọba kankan and so on. All those things are just meant to maybe deify them or make them fearful institutions. Táwọn èèyàn máa sọ ọba ni kó máa bẹ̀rù. When you go to the palace of the Ooni of Ife and you enter the place, yes, the respect they accord you as an Omoba is very high. Yes, I know, and so on. But there is nothing about the Ooni to look fearful. Kò sí. And even in the palace, there are Christians, Islamic people. They are also praying there and so on. So, èmi ò rí nǹkan tó wà too discriminatory. But if there are, it is before Christianity came and before Islamic religion came. Nothing ṣe nǹkan wọn. So tó bá ti mọ̀ pé kò tẹ́ ẹ lọ́rùn don't go there. But if you go there you must embrace the original status tó fi tó associate mọ́ the ọbaṣip stool. O lè sọ pé the good part ló fẹ́ when you die they cannot traditional people cannot carry you.
0906
it's not right.
2009.
Sọ ènìyàn ọlọ́wọ́ sọ ní last week. Ìjọ tó bá ti wá wò ó pé ẹ̀sìn ẹ̀ ò bá kìíní gbé òye wọn fún wọn.
Gbé fún wọn kó kúrò ń bẹ̀. Why do you want to enjoy the seat of another?
5,000.
Consequence of death wá dé. Wá ní òfẹ́ yẹn.
09.
Àti ẹ̀ nílò ipò ọba gan-an ni.
No, wọ́n ti
ní gómìnà.
Wọ́n ti erode powers of ọba. Wọ́n ti erode gradually. Wáyà kò ní sábàrà kankan mọ́ ń bẹ̀. That's why we are saying that they will be useful in the area of checking insecurity.
Hello.
A máa tẹ̀síwájú náà ni. Ṣùgbọ́n káwọn ọba náà ṣọ́ra kó má di wípé nígbẹ̀yìngbẹ̀yìn question tí ẹni yẹn béèrè pé nínú democracy kí lẹ̀ ń ṣe.
Ẹ ṣeun Dr. Olúmídé Adémilúyì.
Gbogbo nǹkan ló ní status tiẹ̀. Tó bá mọ̀ pé o wà ní ọbaṣip line tó dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé nǹkan tó fi ń jẹ ọba kò tẹ́ ẹ lọ́rùn because you are a Christian or you are a Muslim ẹ má gbà á dé yẹn o. If you take it then you must obey tradition.
Kò jẹ́ ibi tí a rí mọ́ ní àárọ̀ yìí lórí ètò gbàgede ọ̀rọ̀. Ìjọba ìpínlẹ̀ Ògùn náà ti sọ̀rọ̀ pé gbogbo ìdúnkokò á lọ ilé ẹjọ́ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí. Wọ́n ní ìdúnkokò lásán ni kò tiẹ̀ mí àwọn bíi ti wò mọ́ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn sin Àwùjalè lọ́nà kan àbí omi. Kò jẹ́ bí a rí mọ́ láàárọ̀ yìí títí ìgbà míì á tún pàdé. Peter Ọlásòpọ̀ Captain P2 òun lórúkọ tèmi.